Have you seen these YouTube ads of people saying, I will show you how to make 50K a month, or drop shipping, you can make 20K a month doing absolutely nothing, or I guarantee you can make fast, easy money doing this, insert whatever you want here. Bullshit. You know how I know, even without looking at what they're talking about, there is no substitute for hard work. How do you become wealthy? Hard work, save, and invest. There is no substitute for hard work. But maybe you're saying, what about those YouTubers? They don't do anything. The ironic part is I work harder than ever doing YouTube. Or maybe the TikTokers. I guarantee you they're hustling, working so hard, trying to figure out what the next trend is. Or what about VC venture capitalists? They don't do anything. They just give people money. I guarantee you they are working crazy hard to find the next new thing that they can put their money into and hopefully make money back. Or maybe this one, okay. Kardashians. Well, they got a TV show, social media, they're trying to figure out how to stay relevant. I guarantee you they are not just sitting on their butts, they are working really hard. But what about those insert blank people? They say they barely work. BS. Everyone who makes a lot of money works really hard. They might work in a way that doesn't make sense to you because you don't understand their world, but I guarantee you they're not just sitting back and doing absolutely nothing. You have to work hard to become skilled at something, to build a business, to make a product or service. And some people make more dollars per hour and some people make less, but the constant is hard work. And I think in the world of credit cards and margin and loans, people have a really big disconnect that work equals money. There's no other way to make money, no hack or trick or new thing that's quick and easy, no work necessary. Work equals money. It's this twisted version of Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week. If you haven't read the book, it's basically about doing things differently, working less, making more time for the things that you really want to do in life by being smart and strategic and knowing what's important to you. Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not one trick or hack that you do. It's get rich by being smart and strategic over a long period of time. The good news here is that you do not need some trick or hack to get rich. So how do millionaires actually become rich? Well, it's hard work, which equals money, and then spending less than you earn, which equals savings, and then investing those savings, which equals wealth. And this will apply for the rest of humanity unless we come up with AI and I just clone myself. My clone does all my work and makes money. But even this just isn't the dream. I'll tell you later what the dream is. It's so simple and obvious that it just seems like it's never gonna work. And I think the problem is that our brains have a really hard time comprehending the long term. We're very much short-term thinkers. Let me give you an example about what I mean. Let's say you work hard, you make money, and you spend less than you earn, and you're able to invest $250 per month, and you put it into something like a Vanguard index fund, which on average has returned about 8.87%. Put away $250 a month, and after that first year, you have $3,120.09 in the bank. Your money has earned you $120.09, which just doesn't seem inspiring at all. You put away $250 a month of your hard-earned cash, and you only got $120 for it. Just doesn't seem like that big of a deal. Well, let's say you did that exact same thing, put away $250 a month for 10 years. Now you have $47,110.22, and your money that you put away made you $17,110.22. Your money made you $17,000, which is over $1,000 per year extra that you're getting, that your money is just making you more money. Now let's take it a step further. Let's say you do that exact same thing, $250 a month for 30 years. Now, after 30 years, you have $415,112.22 saved and invested. Congratulations, that's a lot of money. But you only put in $90,000 over that 30 years. So that $90,000 made you $325,112.22. That's $10,837 extra per year. $903 extra. That doesn't even make sense. How does putting away $250, now all of a sudden you get $900 back? It doesn't make sense, but that's the power of compound interest and investing over the long term. Is it get rich quick? No, it took you 30 years. Is it get wealthy slow and steady? Heck yeah. If you want to make this happen faster, let's say you don't want to wait 30 years to retire, there's two things you can do. You can increase your income, or you can spend less and save more, or you can do both. Let's say you work really hard and you do a really good job at saving, and you put away $1,000 every single month. You save it and you invest it. 10 years from now, you're gonna have $188,440 saved and invested. And your money, that $1,000 you put away, has made you $68,440.87. That's $570.34 per month more. Let's say you're steady Eddie, you're gonna do this for 30 years, putting away $1,000 per month. You're gonna have $1,666,448.88. That's $43,348.29 extra per year, or $3,612.36 per month extra. You saved and invested $360,000, but that money made you $1.3 million. Congratulations, you are now a millionaire. Maybe you're saying to yourself, I can't save $250 a month. That's just not possible. It's really easy for you to say. You have YouTube and it's really easy. You barely work. Okay, first of all, it took me a lot of work to get to the place where I could start a YouTube channel and have it grow pretty quickly and make money from it. And B, it's a lot of work to keep this thing going. But it is true, I'm making a lot more money now doing this than ever in my life. And even my first year YouTube, I made more money than I did freelancing for big companies like Nike. But I do the exact same thing as I did before YouTube. I work hard, I save, and I invest. The principle, the strategy stays exactly the same. And now maybe you're saying, but what about passive income? Passive income is like really easy money. You just make some stuff happen and it just makes you money passively. You just sit back and just relax. Yes, I've made a lot of money from passive income sources, whether it's affiliate links or AdSense or courses or selling digital products or stock footage, but few things are truly passive income. And even if they are pretty passive, it takes a lot of work to make them happen, and usually it still takes ongoing work to promote them or to keep them going. Yes, I work smarter and make way more money than I ever have using passive income, but it's still hard work equals money. The closest thing that I've seen to true passive income is investing. And even with investing, it takes a lot of time to learn about it, to figure out how to invest, what should I invest in, what's the smartest thing to do with my money. And we're forgetting the fact that it takes a lot of hard work to make that money so that you have money to invest. It's the closest thing that I've seen to passive income, but it still requires work. The point here is, this is not bad news. This is great news. You do not need some trick or hack. It's really simple. Work hard, save, and invest. It's not easy, but it's really simple. Stop wasting your time looking for that new hack. And here is the dream situation, where your hard work is something that you enjoy. Hard work doesn't have to be miserable work. If you're working hard on something that you really enjoy, that you're passionate about, it doesn't matter if you have $100 million in the bank, you're still gonna be doing that thing because you enjoy it, you're passionate about it. But I guarantee you, trying to do some get-rich-quick scheme, weird conning thing is only gonna make you miserable, and it's probably gonna make you broke by the end of it because it doesn't work in the first place. The dream is to find something you're passionate about, work hard equals money, spend less equals savings, invest equals wealth. The dream isn't to take away the work hard. The dream is to have the freedom to choose what you want your work hard to be and who you do that with. Hard work can be enjoyable, it can be fulfilling, it can be incredibly rewarding, and not just financially. So, the next time you hear some guy saying, "You want to know how I make 30K a month doing absolutely nothing?" Bullshit.